10% of 300 is what number? So pwedeng gawan lang natin ito ng equation. So we have 10%, pwedeng fraction, pwedeng decimal. So unahin natin yung fraction. 10%, that means 10 over 100. Of means multiplication. And then we have 300 is means equal sign. What number? So that means n. Solve the value of n. So cancelin lang natin itong dalawang zero sa denominator. So therefore, the answer is 10 times 3. Bali, wala na tong 1. 10 times 3, that is equal to 30 equals n. So therefore, the answer is letter C, 30. Or we can solve this using a decimal. So 10% in decimal, that is equal to 0.10 and then multiply by 300. So 0.10 times 300, so that is equal to 10 times 300, that is equal to 3,000. But we have two decimal places, so move natin. So magiging answer pa rin natin ay 30.00 or simply 30. Or another pa ay shortcut. So we have 10% times 300. Ang ibig sabihin nitong percent, cancelin lang natin yung percent tapos mag-cancel tayo ng dalawang zero. So ang matitira na lang 10 times 3, that is equal to 30. Okay, so lahat ng sagot ay 30. So letter C. Follow for more.